Hello. So let's get back again. So let's start with say again the same thing. Our database concept of database is an organized collection of data. Okay, so we can. It is a database is a place where the data are being stored. I hope that you have seen those videos of data center of Facebook, where all these data, data related to Facebook are kept. So I think you have also seen that in a one day thousands of database are being maintained there. So you can visualize it as a container of information. The data is typically organized to a model relevant aspect of reality. Now see, data, what are data? The data which are stored in a database. But so data are a raw fact that have some implicit meaning. Data are raw fact which have some implicit meaning, means, or we can say data are a aspect of reality, means the data does exist in reality, such as your name, your date of birth. These things exist in a reality. Every person has their date of birth. Yes, they are born in some date. Their Aadhaar number. So government has given us our one unique ID, that is Aadhaar number. So and yes, most of the people had their father, mother. So that is also an aspect of reality. So data includes some aspect of reality, means reality thing will be there in way that support processing require this information. So our data is typically organized to a model relevant aspect of reality in a way that support processing requiring this information. Now, so what does this particular sentence tell about is data is an aspect of reality and that need to be processed to get some information from those data. Now let's say, suppose if you want to know about some student, then what we need to know? His or her name, his or her gender, and date of birth, address, father name, mother name. Yes, nowadays Aadhaar number also, and the class which he or she belongs to. So now to know about a particular student, we need to know all this data. So now if we process them, okay, what is his or her parents name, so and so, when he is been born, so on this date. So all this data, whenever get processed, it gives us information. So data is an aspect of reality, means those data exist in reality, and if we want to get some information from those data, then they need to be processed. Okay, suppose if you own a stationery shop, you need to keep detailed record of material available in your shop. Most of the retail owner or shopkeeper used to maintain a register by using some register or by using some copy, but they used to keep their record of material available in his or her shop. Okay, a small shop, retail shop also they used to keep. So that is also we can say as a database. As per his need, he have maintained. So you also need to store information about pricing, stock level for recording old stock, etc. So what all may be there in shopkeeper database? Maybe a number of item available in his shop, type of item available in his shop, and price of particular item. Stock level means how many are here in stock, the numbers sold in a day and all. Okay, while in manual system you would maintain several files with different bits of information in okay. Now yes, many people used to maintain their database manually by using some register, by using some copy, by using some files and all, manual with the help of hand, with pen and all. Okay, so in manual system you would maintain several files with different bits of information. In computerized system you would use database programs. So now in computer, if you are maintaining your database with the help of computer, then you would use a database program such as, so we can use this software such as Microsoft Access, OpenOffice Base, MySQL to organize data as per your business need. Okay, so if we are maintaining our database with the help of computer, then we can use any of this software. Okay, so database concept has evolved since 1962, is increasing difficulty in designing, building and maintaining complex information system. So database concept is not a new thing, it has been evolved since 1960, but improvement has been made in a database design and all. Previously the way we are maintaining our data, nowadays we are maintaining it with differently. Okay, so updation has been done in this lesson. Okay, so that's it for today. Actually I have made a previous video for this, but I could not upload, so I am making it as short as possible. Okay, so thank you very much.